This video today here on Jasmy Coin, Jasmy is sitting at 003. Take a look at the last year for Jasmy. I think right here currently a great opportunity to continue to add to your bag to DCA into Jasmy. On the off chance that you are truth be told bullish on it, I expect or I suggest everybody doing their own examination here and extremely taking your very own hold speculation techniques. I suspect as much many individuals here base what they're into their thought process is a bullish. Their thought process they're negative in view of like Twitter, YouTube recordings like this. And afterward they simply hear their thoughts and make their thoughts in light of that. Furthermore, they're not actually, many individuals don't actually do their own exploration. So I simply need to emphasize that, assuming you are bullish on a task after you've done your own exploration, to have confidence in that venture, correct? These things take time. Clearly we're in a bear market. Buyer market will come, and again, like I've discussed on this channel, a great deal of riches, generational abundance could be made in this next bull run. I truly do stay bullish on Jasmy here, extremely bullish from the keep on making these update recordings on Jasmy, pushing ahead no less than 1 time per week, perhaps 2 times per week here. Do you stay bullish on Jasmy as a drawn-out play here? We're discussing 25-26. Kind of reach here we're not discussing in the following year, discussing broad and numerous years. Presently holding Jasmy, you should show restraint in the crypto market, particularly in the market that we're in right now. In any case, definitely not a monetary consultant, not monetary counsel ought to get squarely into this update. So this significant news here, the head of the state of Japan says the nation is establishing a climate for crypto and figures it can change the web. Alright, presently this is clearly enormous for Jasmy, as I would like to think, who's kept on being called inside the crypto space, the Bitcoin of Japan. Also, with this news, we're only sitting tight for Jasmy. Talk or basically Jasmy only trusting that things will happen now, though Jasmy holders who are trusting that things will occur. You can see here Binance dispatches managed crypto exchanging stage Japan. Finance carries out KYC confirmation for consistent progress viable August 1st, 2023. Here is a tweet here: Jasmy, my comprehension and suppositions KYC begins August 1st in Japan for the relaunch of a consistent Binance stage. Existing records that are not UIC appropriately through the new stage will be closed in the period of November 2023. This might actually be an impending impetus. Investigate as needs be, concentrate all alone, never trust. Presently clearly this could be extremely bullish for Jasmy, truly. And afterward you investigate. At the Jasmy guide, and again like this individual orbiting this is a guide for Q3 of 2023, Q3 of 2023. Jasmy here was discussing conduct information showcasing check, and that is somewhat what's going on here. Binance being conceivably, presently relist here, sorry Binance being perhaps relist, or sorry Binance sending off the customary crypto exchanging stage Japan. We are trusting that this will occur, and which carries me to the following thing here is the Q4 of 2023, All we've been discussing is the lockup, You can see here this week discussing the 70%, I've heard various numbers, 25, 50, 70%, 80% of its host billion secured. Again, like I discussed on the channel, we don't have the foggiest idea yet which all out the sum is. In any case, we're in Q3 of 2023 and we're seeing really like these things that were in the Jasmy wrap have either occurred or have been underway or have basically the chains have begun to continue on them. However, the beginning information esteemed trade is basically here that lockup what we're referring to. What's more, you can see here, there's simply a lot of individuals that are bullish on this. Correct? Holding up data on Q4 lockup from Hard Jasmy, CFO, and afterward taking Matt. Jasmy. Q4 is the beginning of information esteemed trade for Jasmy. Sparkly days will accompany persistence. Alright, so I assume I simply have to repeat everybody holding Jasmy the costs down. Over the course of the past month, correct? Since it was a twofold 04 and it's right down here. This is a twofold 03, which is I would like to think extraordinary open door here to proceed with the DCA in the event that you put stock in these tasks, On the off chance that you truly do have faith in these undertakings, investigate this be. An organization drove by Jasmy leader Kazumasa Sato will have Japan's monetary priest and diplomat to Bangladesh as well as others discuss financial ties for a prosperous future. The enormous T organization name is an abbreviation for Bangladesh Japan Data Innovation, What's more, you can see here this tweet. Everything turns out to be obvious to Japan. Jasmy conveys this tokens consistently oceanside. Before long gets the priest of Japan, priest of economy of Japan. BJ was endorsed by the overseer of chief general of Jasmy. Jasmy is planning for a democratized crypto and completely incorporated Web3. Jasmy is the future now these things, The top state leader establishing a climate for crypto. Guys, That is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.